So hi there, this is Alberto with Fogg Filler Company. I am the subject matter expert for the dairy industry. As the industry has evolved, Fogg Fillers has evolved as well, and our equipment has become a lot larger, a lot bigger, and a lot cleaner as well. Here we do have two machines that have been designed and specified for the dairy industry. The dairy industry has upped their game, and now they are almost all of them with HEPA enclosure. Some of them will have UV cap sanitation systems for their caps, and some of them will even have some type of treatment for their bottles. Here, these two machines are going to be installed back to back, and we'll have an alley right in between them. We have a right-hand machine and a left-hand machine, and the operators will be walking right in between this aisle and run both machines, encompassing our cleaner and more efficient enclosures that will maintain a cleaner environment inside the filler. Fogg valves have also evolved to become cleaner, more efficient, and allow you to have CAPs, automated CAPs, that will reduce the downtime significantly. Our semi-automatic CAP system allows the operator to start a CAP cycle with the touch of a button without adding or removing any hardware to the machine. The system will have a trough, the trough will slide in, and the bowl will start to turn at low RPMs, cleaning these valves inside out. We also have incorporated a taller bowl for this specific machine. We are aware that skimmed milk foams a lot more than 2% milk, and what this does for us is it allows us to better manage the foam generated while filling, or the foam that is fed into the bowl during the feeding process. Our technology combines a body handling of the bottles and also a neck handling. So for the filling section, we do have these pedestal back support pockets that for larger bottles that do not require any neck support, we will use them to center the bottle with the valve. But this becomes a change part, and it's relatively quick to change this part. We will remove this. We may add a smaller, larger part for a single serve, and this part, this might allow us to provide neck support to our bottles. If we have PET very light bottles, we will support them right here to open up the valve while filling. What we have here has becoming more and more efficient and common in the plants, where they need to have their caps stored in a different place than the filler is. Could be because of space constraints reasons, or just because they want to make sure that the caps stay at a specific temperature range. Our cap blower can station up to 110 feet away from the filler, and that 110 feet away is considering all the curved, vertical, and horizontal pipe trajectory. And what it is, it's a blower with a filter and a hopper, and it will blow your caps from this box through this pipe all the way to our filling room and our cap sorter hopper. In this specific case, we do have stainless steel pipe, but we also have PVC, and if required, we could have some sides so we can see the flow of the caps. As the caps arrive to the filler, we do have a cyclone up above that will smoothen the pads discharge into the sorter hoppers. And the sorter will have an eye that will tell the cap blower when to run and when to stop. And I just want to mention to you a couple of things of our 700 series model capper. It comes with a barrel cam, hardened steel cam up above, and its own gear. Up above we will have another motor controlled with a BFD to control the RPMs of our spindles to accommodate for different cap finishes or bottle finishes like the treads. The second thing we do have here is what we call quick change chucks. Our quick change chocks, and even though this is from a different machine, are standard. They have a hex connection standard throughout that goes in. This specific machine has 8 capping heads, and for cleaning purposes, we can remove it in a fraction of a minute and throw this into a bucket with sanitizer, sanitize it, and put it back on.